A statement from China that all technology is welcome as long as it fits under their regulatory situation. But of course, we're seeing a lot of analysts and other people worry about the impact of a possible ban on Apple. Is this a big deal? Is this something that investors need to be concerned about?
It's definitely a big deal, and it's definitely something investors should be concerned about. Now, what Chinese officials are saying sounds a lot like how U.S. officials refer to Chinese products. For instance, Huawei phones. You know, we talk a lot about how we want these products to adhere to our standards, and then when they don't, we ban them. And now look, China's talking the same game and banning them in state agencies. And there are other reports saying this might come down to other companies that are funded by the state and managed by the state. So this is, potentially tens of millions of people in China who immediately can't use the iPhone, but it actually extends more broadly, right? This is a symbolic ban where China is saying, hey, we have leverage over your companies just like you have leverage over ours. And by the way, we're not afraid to use it.
Right. So Apple shares, again, sinking about 6% week to date so far. Right now, flat in the pre-market. Another issue is that's probably not really talked about that much is the gatekeeper status from the EU, putting Apple and 21 other big tech companies into that status and telling them they have to comply within the next 6 months. How big of a threat is that to Apple's business, not only in Europe, but just in general when we talk about regulation and regulatory headwinds?
I don't see it as a tremendous worry. Now, look, big companies like Apple, they have the lawyers, they have the regulation folks, they have the lobbyists that try to minimize the impact of these regulations. And now, with the DMA, specifically in Europe, I see this more as impacting the services business, unlike the hardware business. China banning iPhones in certain areas, right? iPhone's 52% of Apple's revenue. If you take a look at services, yes, it's growing, but it's a much smaller portion of the pie. And so, this is something that Apple can navigate. It's the China thing that really worries me more.
All right, let's look ahead, Alex. Coming up, big iPhone release expected on Tuesday. We looked at the trend a bit. So on the day of an iPhone release announcement, not when the phones actually sell, the shares generally sell off. Are you expecting a similar response this time with the upcoming iPhone release?
Yeah, it's definitely the trend, right? But I think if you're betting on Apple, you don't really play with the day of the announcement, right? There's never going to be an announcement unless they're actually introducing the iPhone, right? Like when you have a big product reveal, for instance, like the Vision Pro, okay, that might be where you want to read more into the stock movement day of. But really the bread and butter for Apple is not the actual release, but it's how these sales pile up, quarter after quarter. Now, Apple has gone through 3 straight quarters of revenue declines, and it looks like another one might be on the horizon. I think the movement around earnings is really the place that you want to watch. Whether investors are trying to, get a little advantage or try to navigate how sales or how the impact of the actual release day looks like, that's way more tricky than the broader Apple play.
All right, I want to come full circle, Alex. Again, Apple shares are flat right now, down 6% for the week on concerns about a possible iPhone ban in China. Shares are now flat after Chinese state media put out a statement. We just touched on it right now. Are you expecting the selling pressure to ease this trading day? It's eased a bit in the pre-market, but even during the trading day, do you expect a better day for Apple?
I can't really predict the day because what we're seeing more is like this broader trend. What this news in China has awoken investors to is the fact that Apple is basically overvalued. It is overvalued, right? And it's been trading at this extremely high multiple because it's a great name and it's stable and it's a terrific story. And now there's some dents in that story, and so it's not really scientific in terms of how far this is going to fall, right? It's all about investor confidence and the story that Apple can tell in reverse. And I think it's falling more to a place where it belongs, right? The $3 trillion valuation on declining revenues never really made sense to me. And we're just going to have to see in the coming days exactly where it settles out.